Right, just currently at the DMZ now. Check out this train. See all the bullet holes on it from the Korean War.
The tree was growing out from the top of the train. So that's why it was transplanted here along the train together. Okay? Yeah. Okay, everyone. So let's move. Yeah. Pictures later. Okay. Information first. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah. By the way, yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit busy as well. Not really explored anything. I can't explain how cold it is right now. There was a guy from Switzerland, and I heard him say it's colder here than it is in Switzerland. Fuck. So cold. This is Imjingak. Oh, I didn't check out that monument. What is it? Let's go check that one out over there. Same camera as me. For the spirit. Actually, here's some interesting history. This is the bridge where 12,000 prisoners, nearly 13,000 prisoners got exchanged in 1953. And it ended the Korean War. Here we are. I can't access it. So here's a peace bell at the DMZ. Further information here. I need to go get a hot cup of tea. My hands are absolutely freezing. It's a pretty nice temple. Might go look for a coffee in here. So I haven't got much time at the minute, so I need to get back. Yeah, I can get a coffee here. Right. Yeah, it's not really much at this place other than what you see. There's some cable cars over there. There's a bridge. See the barbed wire. Yeah. Okay, so here's the demilitarized zone. Basically, for the majority of it, I've not been able to film it at all. I've been to the furthest point in South Korea that you can go, to North Korea, which is under those tunnels. Basically, you can't film much of it because it's like sensitive to the military. I've got about 2 minutes before we leave. So I just want to video everything before I go. It's been a really good day. I highly recommend it, despite time is it? I've got 2 minutes before we go. Yeah. So basically, I basically not talk. You can't take much photos or videos, you know, because it's a sensitive area. And then one time the tour guide said at the observatory point you can't take any pictures because the North Korea sent poop in a balloon. But obviously it could have been chemical weapons. I'll tell you, wow, look at that. Let's get a photo of that. And for A3. Alright, time to head back. Yeah, the weather's been random as well. It's been really snowy and not been able to see anything, but yeah, good trip. Alright, bye bye. Just currently at the suspension bridge now. It's pretty long and slippy. Whoa. It's very slippy. Grab onto the bridge. Wow.
I'm really afraid of it. Oh, I did my best. I think the best shot is still from there.
Whoa. You can feel the bridge shaking or wobbling. Okay, this is the end of the suspension bridge. That's pretty cool. I recommend visiting. So we're at a, what's it called? Gamaksan Mountain. This is Gamaksan Mountain. So this bridge was built because they fought against Chinese soldiers. Okay.